May Project Garden is an award-winning grassroots organization that works with a lot of marginalized communities. We do various things from putting events to running in different educational workshops to learn how to grow, how to get back in touch with nature.
So what I'm going to ask you to do is, in silence, by yourselves, go have a wander around the garden. Our focus has always been about people care and making the land accessible, making it fun, engaging, making it community-led as well.
One of the groups that we've worked with is local refugee youth groups who have come from countries where they're very connected to the earth, they're used to growing, but once they come to UK and specifically London, they don't know where to kind of connect.
Volunteering is a really good way to work with a community, meet new people, different types of people, get outside, which is good for your health, actually support community with your expertise to learn from each other as well. Like actually getting outside into nature is a really beneficial thing.